Today we've got an awesome 4-ship sail away here from Port Canaveral with the Carnival Venezia. It's weird to say her name right now during the summertime, but again, we're going back to some older ship spotting videos that we haven't gotten to edit yet, so that's where we're a little behind, but she's been long gone for almost 2 months now, but we've got her sailing away this afternoon along with Star of the Seas, MSC Seashore, and the beautiful Norwegian Prima, so we've got an awesome set of sailaways this afternoon. Let me know you enjoyed today's video by hitting that like button down below. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. We do these ship spotting videos every single week, and we even live stream these sailaways every single weekend, along with ship tours, cruise vlogs, and so much more. We have a cruise on board the Harmony of the Seas, her first sailing back in Port Canaveral, coming very, very soon. So definitely don't miss on that. With all that out of the way, enough of my rambling. Go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy the 4-ship sail away here from Port Canaveral. really, really. And that will begin to wrap up today's video. As the MSC Seashore heads out to sea, she gave us quite the show with those horns there just a second ago. And of course, all the other ships as well. It was a fantastic sail away. A little bit of a cloudy and gloomy day, but always a very great day for some sailaways there in Port Canaveral. So we had a great time. Let me know you had a great time watching this video by hitting that like button. And of course, subscribe if you're new to the channel. We do videos just like this all the time when we even live stream these sailaways. If you'd like a full walkthrough tour of the MSC Seashore or even Star of the Seas, we're going to flash some videos up here in just a moment on the end screen, and you can click on those and take a tour of those two incredible ships. We even have some of Prima as well. So a lot of ship tours here on this channel as well. Go check out all of the ships that we have been on here in Port Canaveral. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video in Tampa, Florida.